Hello student, today we will be solving the IB Math A HL May 2025 paper 1 Tensum 2 question number 3. You will be getting the solutions for the first two questions from this paper and the solutions of the other questions from the other past papers in form of playlists on my channel NS online math tutoring classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math A HL level tutor. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start to solve the question number 3. The maximum mark is 7. The following diagram shows a non-right angle triangle ABC. This is the diagram, and diagram is of course not to scale. AB is 5 units, BC is 6 root 2 units, angle ACB is theta, angle BSC is 2 theta, theta is in radians between 0 and pi over 2. Theta is greater than 0 but is less than pi over 2. It is an acute angle. And Sapat A's question is using the sine rule, show that cos theta equal to this one. So, okay, let me start from this point. A, sine rule, we are having these two angles given, of course, in terms of theta, and these two side lengths given. So, we will be taking sine 2 theta over 6 root 2 equal to, they have said using the sine rule, so I am not writing using the sine rule. Okay, I have to use the sine rule. Sine theta over 5. And after cross multiplication, we get 5. And sine 2 theta, I have to come to theta because I need cos theta, so I have to come to theta from 2 theta. So I'll be using the double angle identity formula. So it is sine 2 theta equal to 2 times sine theta times cos theta. So 2 sine theta cos theta equal to 6 root 2 sine theta. Okay. And this is a trigonometric equation. For this particular case, you will not be losing any information if you divide both sides by sine theta, but make it a habit of not cancelling or not dividing by any other trigonometric ratios in a trigonometric equation. If in case you have to find the values of theta, by dividing by one of the trigonometric ratios will be equivalent to losing some values of theta. Okay, so never do that. So I am writing this as 10 sine theta cos theta and subtracting 6 root 2 sine theta from both the sides. So it is minus 6 root 2 sine theta equal to 0. Okay. And now I will be taking out 2 sine theta as the common factor between these two terms. So this is, I have taken out 2 sine theta from the first term. I am having 5 cos theta remaining. And from the second term, I have already taken out 2. So it will be 2 sine theta rather. So it will be 3 root 2 equal to 0. Okay. And since sine theta is not equal to 0, theta is not equal to 0, so sine theta cannot be equal to 0 because theta is greater than 0 but is less than pi over 2. Therefore, for 5 cos theta minus 3 root 2 should be equal to 0. So this gives us the value of cos theta as 3 root 2 over 5. Okay, 3 root 2 over 5. Shown. Subpart B, hence find sine theta. Okay, so Hence means we have to use this. And we know sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So therefore, sine square theta plus 3 root 2 over 5 whole square equal to 1 implies sine square theta equal to 1 minus 3 square is 9 and root 2 whole square is 2. So 9 times 2 is 18 and 5 square is 25. Okay. 1 can be written as 25 over 25. So it is 25 over 25 minus 18 over 25. The denominator is 25, the numerator is 25 minus 18, which will be equal to 7. Okay. So therefore, sine square theta is equal to 7 over 25. Implies sine theta, I am taking the square root of both the sides and I will be taking the positive square root because theta is an acute angle. So sine theta will be a positive number. Even theta, if theta had been an obtuse angle, sine theta would have been positive. And because theta is an angle from a triangle, it can either be acute or it can be obtuse. It can never be a reflex angle. So sine theta value will be positive. So this is equal to root 7 over 5. Okay, because theta is greater than 0 but is less than pi over 2. And point D is located on AC, maybe somewhere over here. Okay, it can be over here also, I have no idea. But it is on AC, side AC, such that the area of the triangle BCD, so this is the triangle BCD, area of this triangle is 2 root 14. So part C's question is find BC, that means this part. Okay, so area of triangle BCD, we will be using the trigonometric formula for the area of a triangle, okay, is equal to half times, we know this side, so we will be taking this side, and we need this side, so we will be taking this side, and the included angle is theta. We have to take these two sides. So it is half times 6 root 2 times DC times sine theta. This should be equal to 2 root 14. Okay, and I can cancel these two. So this is equal to, implies 3 root 2 times sine theta is this, root 7 over 5 times DC equal to 2 root 14. Okay, so DC equal to, I am dividing both sides by 3 root 2, so it is 2 root 14 times 1 over 3 root 2, and I'm also dividing by root 7 over 5, that is I'm multiplying by 5 over root 7. I'm multiplying the entire equation by 5 over root 7. Okay, now this root 14, what is this? This is equal to root 14, square root 14 is equal to square root of 2 times 7. And this can be written separately because these two are connected by this multiplication sign. So I can write this as square root of 2 times square root of 7. Okay, so I'm having square root of 2 times square root of 7 in the numerator, and I'm having square root of 2 and square root of 7 in the denominator, so they will be cancelling. Okay, so therefore DC is equal to 10 over 3 units. Okay, so we have completed solving this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your liking, sharing, and subscribing will be really helping me a lot. It will be increasing my videos reach. It will be motivating me. And we meet again very soon in our next session. We'll be solving question number 4. Till then, bye.